Hello, smart champ. Yes, I called you smart. Let's play a mental game. Now, the letters A, B, Z, D, and S are represented by 4, 5, 6, 3, and 8. Now, what is the product of BZ and SB respectively? 30 and 40, right? Clap for yourself. Now, just like the multiplication of letters were represented by numbers above, we also represent the addition of a compound to another with what we call a chemical equation. And we do this with the symbols and formulas of the compound or element. The chemical equation features the compounds being added together, called the reactant on one side, and the product, which are the new compound formed on the other side of the equation sign. Just like we had BZ equals 30. For example, let's add or react the compounds tetraoxosulfate 6, that is H2SO4, and sodium hydroxide, NaOH, together. Let's bring it together. Now, we have H2SO4 aqueous plus NaOH solid gives us Na2SO4 aqueous plus 2H2O. Now, from the equation above, we have H2SO4 aqueous plus NaOH solid to give us Na2SO4 aqueous plus 2H2O liquid. Now, from the equation above, we can clearly tell that the reactant on the left side and product on the right side. The physical states are solid, liquid, aqueous, or gaseous of the compounds. Now, the number of moles reacting and the number of moles of product formed. These are the importance of a chemical equation. So we have learned that a chemical equation is a representation of a chemical reaction in terms of the symbols and formulas of the elements and compounds involved, and about its usefulness. Alright, champ. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye for now.